Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel. I'm going to be doing a first look video here on the 2022 Nissan Pathfinder here. But looking here at the front styling, this reminds me of the Nissan Rogue with their large V-motion grille. This also has the newer Nissan Emblem, as you guys can see there, which looks really nice. This does come equipped with fog lights, also with this aluminum painted skid plate there. This front parking sensors. This does have reflector LED headlights here with the incandescent turn signal, but the exterior styling looks really good. I like this blue exterior color. Looking at the side profile here, these wheels do have a multi-spoke design. These are a 255/50 tire. They're right on the 20-inch rim design, which looks really nice. These are Bridgestone tires. You can also see the suspension there. This does come equipped with a 360-degree camera. There's LED side markers, and this one does have a panoramic sunroof here to let light into the cabin with these roof rails equipped. I do like the silver painted trim here on the side. They just have Pathfinder there stamped here on the lower part of the door with these small running boards. But making our way to the back here of the Pathfinder, these taillights are going to be an LED combination with an incandescent turn signal and reverse light with an LED brake light. I like the big name here, it spells out Pathfinder. It looks really nice. There's a new Nissan emblem there, the platinum badge with the four-wheel drive badge there. This also came from the manufacturer. You guys can see it does have a manufacturer plate. Unfortunately, I won't be able to drive this vehicle. There's rear parking sensors. There's also this tow hitch receiver down there with a 7 or 4 pin connector, and also with one visible exhaust trim. But open up the cargo back here, it does have a power opening lift gate. The storage back here looks very small. It looks like it could be 16 cubic feet of space, and it does come standard with 3 rows of seating. I'm gonna show you guys the interior really quick, but underneath here there's gonna be some underfloor storage, which is very, very deep. It does come with a first aid kit, and there is some tie downs back here as well, with a 12 volt on this side, and the seats you can let them down manually via these scraps here once you pull down that little area here. But let's get into the second row really quick. I do like this blue exterior paint. Looks very beautiful. I like the flakes in it, if you guys can see. You guys can see me right there. This does have manual sunshades, aluminum painted door handle, these very large cup holders here. I like the captain's chairs here, this large panoramic sunroof, but it does not go into the third row, which I wish that it did. There's a center area here, and then there's your controls here for your own set of rear air vents. It looks like there's 3 level heated seats. It looks like it could have cool seats. Maybe if you option it in, you might be able to get cool seats, if I'm not mistaken. There's 2 map pockets back here for storage. Getting back here into the third row, I'm not gonna get back there completely, but the floor does have a decent amount of legroom for small kids. There's some cup holders back here on the sides and also over there. And it's gonna be the lighting up top with the air vents. But let's hop into the driver's seat really quick and see. The steering wheel, as you guys can see, it is power tilt and telescoping. It did move when I opened up the door. There is this digital gauge cluster here front and center. I do like this infotainment system here. I wish Nissan had made it a little bit bigger, but there's some unused real estate there on the sides. There's some heart buttons here for the dimmer switches, the sync track, and there's also 3 level heated and cool seats, which I'm surprised to see that, because on the other models you don't get cool seats. On other Nissan vehicles like the Nissan Rogue, you don't get cool seats. I'm surprised to see cool seats. And this also has the Bose audio sound system, which sounds pretty good. I tested it in other Nissan models. Your window controls are here. You can also power fold the mirrors in, and there's 2 person memory seats here. The seats in here are very comfortable. I like the high quality leather here. Pathfinder there on the center armrest. There's 2 cup holders, same shifter that's in the Nissan Rogue. And the center armrest does offer a decent amount of storage. But let's see if I could start the vehicle up. I think the key maybe be inside. It's maybe inside, but let's see. Let's see. Test my luck. No, there's no key. There's no key fob in here, so they took the key. I do like the flat bottom wheel design here. But overall, this interior is very upscale and very nice. But let's take a look underneath the hood here and see what it looks like. Nissan has gotten rid of that CVT, and now they're offering a 9-speed transmission or 8-speed automatic. It still uses that 3.5 liter V6, so very strong powertrain. I haven't tested the powertrain in the 2021 model of the Pathfinder, but I know Nissan said they dropped that CVT transmission, and that's super hot. That thing is very hot. But I want you guys to let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about the updated Pathfinder? But I'm walking around the car one more time, and I forgot to mention, this does have a heads-up display here. But I'm walking around the vehicle one more time. Show you guys the back seats here. I like these captain's chairs. I wish this did have a different color combination. And looking at the third row there again, it's gonna be really reserved for kids, but like the roof reservoir. But the Pathfinder is very handsome. I like the exterior styling. So Nissan did a really good job here. But like I mentioned, I want you guys to comment down below in the comment section. I think this vehicle is gonna be available in the summertime, which is in a few weeks or within a month or so. This one, like I mentioned, it did come from the manufacturer. You guys seen the manufacturer plate on the back. Like I mentioned, I'm not able to drive the vehicle, but I want you guys to let me know what you guys think about the new Pathfinder.